Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm going to visit my friend Meriam in Daan Bantayan, Cebu. So, let's go! So guys, we're finally here! The travel took around almost 1 hour, and as of now, we have to walk to my friend's house. Let's go! So, they're having a Christmas party at the moment! And guys, they have lechon baboy, pansit, lumpia, fried chicken, dinuguan, and ice cream! And guys, they're having this dancing game for the kids that who dances the best wins. And now guys, Meriam throwing candies, chocolates, fruits like apples and oranges for the kids and for the adults, including me. And guys, look, I have candy and chocolate. Yee, happy me! So now guys, let's go to Meriam's poultry farm! Wow! Lots of chickens! Actually guys, Meriam raised 1,500 chickens and it's been 8 months since she started this poultry farm business. I'm so proud of her. And guys, this is where she stores the feeds of the chickens and the pigs. And now guys, let's go to her piggery farm. Actually guys, there are 6 pigs including the mother, and she lechon the other one for the Christmas party today. And guys, I was not able to took the video for the mother pig because the mother pig was being put in different pigsty. And thank you so much, Meriam, for inviting us, and thank you for the Christmas gift. Until next time, I will visit you again soon as possible. Till next time, Dai. Take care. Bye-bye. And now guys, we're going home. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you guys, and don't forget to smile. Love you. Bye.